UI code, backend code, unit level testing, static code analysis, generate the artifact. Artifact means deployable artifact. This artifact should be deployed to one of the server. Somebody has gifted you 1 lakh. Some organization has given you some 1 lakh. Will they deduct 10% and give it to you, or they'll give you as it is? To whom this money will go? Government. Yes or no? And after that, whatever money you have it, for this you have to do what to say? Income tax returns. Income tax returns, you do it. For everything you have evidence. Artifact will be there. Oh, I spent 20,000 for home rent, 30,000 for my car petrol, for driver charges. All you will track it, right? So that is called auditing. Auditing purpose, you keep a record. Similar way, in this CI/CD pipeline also, you can keep your artifacts in this central location. Artifacts. Today, you are releasing some movie. Next year, this time, you will be releasing some movie. By next year, you see whatever the content we have today, it will not be the same content next year. But in some auditing, they want to do some audit, last 6 months audit. They'll go here, they'll pick the artifact, they will deploy to the server. And they can see what we did in our last 2022 in the month of February on day 7th. What kind of movies we released. Why? There was a huge revenue on that day. This is for artifact management. You have to keep one artifact in central location for audit purpose. The way money you are handling it, similar way, audit purpose also you have to keep it here. Next, after keeping an artifact, you have to deliver the artifact. So that means until this step, code is being committed by developers to the central location. This code is being executed here. In terms of UI developer, UI code will be executed. In terms of backend developer code will be executed. Not only these people, we have QA engineers, we have DBA people. Everybody will contribute their own code. Please understand. And that code should be executed here. These are the life cycles I mentioned here clearly. UI code, backend code, unit level testing, static code analysis, generate the artifact. Artifact means deployable artifact. This artifact should be deployed to one of the server. Then you will be able to access the website. And to happen this, we need a DBA team. They write SQL queries. They compile the queries. Where? In Jenkins. They test the queries. They deploy the queries in target servers. That's called dev environment, then QA environment, then acceptance environment, then finally production. Next, infrastructure. This calls cloud engineer. Here is a cloud engineer. Here is a UI developer. Here is a backend developer. And here is a DevOps engineer. And here is a DBA team. Here is a cloud engineers. Then finally CI/CD pipeline will again plus DevOps engineer. Here comes QA engineer. Everybody contribution will be there. Their code will be pushed to version control system. This one version control system managed by DevOps engineers. This CI/CD pipeline tools were created by DevOps engineer in the cloud. So now I'm going to show you this use case. We will post one website and see all this. We will integrate all these tools and we'll do the one live use case. I already provisioned servers. It is in place. I'm going to take the code from developers and I'll do it in central machine. In central machine is nothing but a Jenkins. Then I'll push the artifact to target servers in one of the Linux machine or a Windows machine. I will deploy the code. I would know some have not understood anything, some are trying to understand, but this is the reality. You want to be a cloud engineer, if you want to be a DevOps engineer, this is what you do day in and day out. Obviously, reality, many people don't exist, but that's fine. So you should know about the reality. This now let's get into the hands-on.